Most people don't think of Walmart as a travel gear destination, but it's a fantastic option if you got a trip coming up and you need to grab some last minute essentials, or you want to save serious money in certain categories. So in this video, we're breaking down the travel essentials you should actually consider buying at Walmart and the ones you definitely shouldn't. First up, let's talk about tech and electronics. This is where Walmart surprised me the most. Let's say your flight leaves in the morning and you realized you don't have an international travel adapter. There's no reason you should be without one of these, and luckily, Walmart has you covered. This adapter from Protégé covers the EU, UK, Australia, and Asia, and can charge up to 5 devices with AC, USB, and USB-C. It's not fancy, and I still prefer my Epica adapters, but you might have it just down the street from you in a pinch. By the way, most everything we're showing in this video you can get in-store and online, but some items in-store placement will vary. Next, let's say you lost your earbuds again, or you just can't stomach the price of something like Apple AirPods. These skull candy earbuds with active noise cancellation are actually my recommended alternative to AirPods because they're less than a third of the price. The sound is by Bose. Personally, I think they sound better than AirPods, and the battery life is insane. The only con in my mind for travelers is the size of the case, but it's still small enough to toss in your bag's quick access area. Great grab from Walmart. Okay, so you've got these amazing noise canceling headphones, but you can't use them with the Airplane entertainment system. We've been recommending the Mi Audio Bluetooth receiver for this problem for years, but at your local Walmart, you can get essentially the same thing from AirFly. It's only $35, very compact, and super easy to use. If you still haven't done this in the year 2026, strongly advise hiding some type of Bluetooth tracker like an Apple AirTag or a Tile in whatever bag you're bringing with you. You can get these at Walmart too. Airlines have gotten more and more serious about the size of carry-ons, and in the off chance you have to check your bag, you'll always know where it is. Now, speaking of bags, I went and took a look at the carry-on options at Walmart, and honestly, I'd skip those, at least the in-store options. Every carry-on I pulled off the shelf was technically too big to fit most airline requirements, and most options you find from Walmart will not come with a warranty. Another travel essential I don't recommend getting from Walmart is your socks. If you do quite a bit of walking when you travel, you will never regret investing in quality socks. For years, I would wear basic, crappy cotton socks, and the problem with that is on big walking days, they get sweaty, they stink, and you are way more likely to get blisters on your feet. But quality socks, like the ones Bombas makes, are moisture wicking, naturally odor resistant, and they hold their shape through long days on your feet. They're so comfortable, you're gonna forget you're even wearing them. They come with snug honeycomb arch support, a seamless toe so nothing rubs, and a cushioned footbed that actually holds up. And best of all, for every pair purchased, Bombas donates a pair. They've donated over 150 million items, and everything's backed by a 100% happiness guarantee. With Bombas, you can feel good and do good. New customers get 20% off their first purchase by going to the link below and using the code AWAYTOGETHER at checkout. Big thanks to Bombas for sponsoring today's video. Now, let's get into some ultra cheap items you should definitely get from Walmart, like this day pack. Classic travel problem for minimalist travels. You want to pack in one bag, but you don't want to have to haul your 40-liter backpack around when you're out sightseeing for the day. This thing packs flat in your luggage, and voila, problem solved. Now, we've recommended tons of packable day packs, but this one from Ozark Trail is $5. And it performs like day packs that cost $40 or $50. I highly recommend this, and it is the ultimate anti-splurge. All right, when you walk around, your shoes get dirty. And when you're packing in a bag, your clean clothes are right next to them. See the problem? And if you don't have time or can't stomach the idea of splurging on a fancy shoe pouch from Peak Design like this one, grab a few plastic shower caps from Walmart and wrap your shoes before packing them. It costs basically nothing, keeps the inside of your bag clean, and you can toss them when you're done. Walmart essential all day. Another one, Ziploc gallon bags. You can use these to compress soft items to save space. You can organize your documents so they don't get crumpled. You could throw a couple dryer sheets in one of these and your bag's gonna smell better. These are like a cheaper alternative to compression packing cubes, and honestly, pretty handy to just have 1 or 2 extras in your bag. Hey, if you've gotten value out of this video so far, please hit that subscribe button because there is way more where this came from. All right, let's talk personal care items. Packing toiletries is one of those things that sounds really easy until you're standing in your bathroom at midnight before your 6 a.m. flight, just praying you remembered everything. Well, Walmart sells all-in-one toiletry kits for both men and women that come with TSA-compliant bottles and the bag itself. Everything's already sized correctly, it's organized, and it's ready to go. And so if you're one of those people that just doesn't even want to think about it, these kits can kind of solve the whole problem for you. Speaking of convenience, right down the aisle, Walmart has toothbrush travel kits for like $1.50. Now, if you want to use your own preferred products instead of whatever comes in kits like these, grab a set of these reusable silicone bottles. They're TSA compliant, leak proof, and you can transfer your actual shampoo, conditioner, or body wash right into them. This way, you're not buying travel size versions of products you already own, and you get to use the stuff that you already like. I highly recommend going this route. Okay, this next one is awesome because it doesn't count as a liquid. These are water activated wash pads for washing your face. You take one, get it wet, and it will foam up, and then you can wash your face. No bottles taking up space, no liquids in your bag. Similarly, plain germs, sweat, 10 days straight of pasta, and somehow, I don't know, you got your own personal Mount Vesuvius growing out of your forehead. Mighty patches. I've traveled with these for years. Stick one on before bed and wake up with clearer looking skin. Again, takes up almost no space. All right, next up, 20,000 step days through European cities sounds amazing until you realize humidity plus movement could equal serious skin irritation. And once chafing starts, it can make a great trip absolutely miserable. If you know, you know. So if you're the kind of person who needs it, you could get an anti-chafing stick from Walmart. You throw this in your toiletry bag and forget about it until you need it. It's not glamorous, but it's also not a liquid, and you can get it at your local Walmart. Moving on, wrinkle release spray. When you're living out of a backpack, your clothes inevitably gonna get a little bit wrinkled, and using a wrinkle release spray like this definitely helps here. Chances are you don't want to be ironing on your trip, so you just spray your shirt, give it a shake, and done. It's easy and it's fast. Now, here's the deal. Not every piece of travel gear should come from Walmart. Some things are absolutely worth spending more on. So if you want to see the items that are genuinely worth the splurge, check out this video right here. Thanks so much for watching. Happy travels.